7 things a man does when he wants a serious relationship. Nowadays it is very difficult to know if a man is really interested in taking the relationship to the next level of commitment, but calm down, there are some signs that can betray him. In the age in which we live, it is increasingly difficult to know if a person is really interested in a serious relationship or just wants to hang out. Society has determined to make us believe that vulnerability makes us look weak and that we will inevitably end up being judged for it. So many people prefer to hide their feelings, rather than getting hurt. That is why if you are not sure what the true intentions of that guy you like are, these 6 attitudes indicate that he definitely wants something serious with you. 1. He is always looking for you. This is not about sending you text messages all the time. Remember that we all have things to do, and if something has taught us these times is to believe that love must be measured by how quickly someone answers a message, which is completely false. When a person is really interested, he will look for you every time he has an opportunity, and not only when he has nothing to do or when you look for him. We will not use justifications for someone who never has time for you. Whoever wants something serious just looks for you. 2. Talks about his personal things. Remember that men also get carried away by stereotypes, so talking about their feelings is considered as vulnerability. So if a person shares their feelings with you, tells you personal things and shares all their dreams or desires without fearing, is definitely a good sign. 3. Listen to the things that interest you. When a man only wants to hang out with a woman, his intention is to fill his ego or have someone who simply admires him. When the guy you like only talks about his problems and interests, completely ignoring your thoughts, we recommend that you be careful. You are probably just a hobby. 4. He takes you with his friends. At this point you should also be careful. Remember that friends will always be allies. However, you can take into account how he behaves with you, the way he speaks to you, what he says. In this way you will realize if he is really interested. 5. He presents you with his family. Although it seems unbelievable, some men are used to bringing 1,000 women to meet their family, and this is normal for everyone. But, if you have been dating for a while and the possibility of introducing you to his family has never appeared, it is because he does not consider the relationship stable. 6. You are part of his future plans. Many times people do it without realizing it, making plans, dreams, and having the intention of doing everything with that person, which is a good sign. Talking about the future is normal when you are excited about the relationship, which is flattering if you are also looking for something serious. 7. He has details. Remember that relationships have evolved and everything is not about serenades, roses or chocolates. Although some men still use this method of conquest, it is not the only sign that this person is interested in you. Attentions, spontaneous favors, smiles and small details are also valuable and important. Learn how to get a man to love you. Click or tap the link on or below this video to download this free ebook.